The Turtl entry is a top-of-the-line crawlspace entry door. Stay tuned to hear the benefits of a Turtl crawlspace door. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development here at AccuLevel. In this video, I will explain the benefits of installing a Turtl door on your crawlspace. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So the first benefit of a Turtl is that it keeps your crawlspace cleaner. This is going to make sure that no debris blows in or anything else makes its way into your crawlspace. It's going to give it a good clean seal to make sure no outside gets inside your crawlspace. The second big thing with the Turtl is it's very easy to put your own padlock or any other kind of lock on the outside to make sure that your crawlspace stays secure from anything or anybody that would want to make their way into your crawlspace. And finally, the big advantage of the Turtl is that it keeps the water out. It's completely sealed to the side of your house, and the lid actually comes with a seal as well. So this makes it completely waterproof, not allowing any moisture or water to be added to your crawlspace. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about the Turtl crawlspace entry? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.